slippery, it'll climb up and crack it.
That is slippery.
Fuck, I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, there's gonna be some fun ones later.
Fucking slicker as fuck.
Yeah,
that's all four locked up.
Ned, your fucking tires are like slag.
I'm supposed way down. Oh well, we'll go through the back.
Yeah, fuck them hills on this shit. That's for pussies.
Yeah, that's for faggot ass Jeeps and shit.
That's for pussies, yeah.
That's for Mustangs, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll keep it right. Now it's starting to get rusty.
It just fucking goes.
It does go good. You'd think an older one would go better, really.